Welcome back, student, in my YouTube channel Account X-Ray. I am Santosh Misra, and student, today I am going to discuss chapter number 4, business services. And in business services, banking is a very important business services, and commercial bank are an important institution of the economy for providing institutional credit to its customer. A banking company in India is one which transact the business of banking, which means accepting the deposit and purpose of lending and investment of deposit of money from the public, repayable on the demand and otherwise withdrawal by check, draft, and otherwise. You can say bank occupy an important position in the modern business world. No country can make commercial and industrial progress without a well organized banking system. So banks play a very crucial role in our economy. In the simple terms, a bank accept money on deposit, repayable on demand, and also earn a margin of profit by lending money. You can say when you are going to deposit a certain sum into the bank will pay the interest of at the rate of 10%, 5%, and if you want to borrow some money from the bank will charge from you at the rate of 10%, and the difference between lending and difference between interest is the margin of the bank. So meaning of the bank, what is the meaning of the bank? A bank is an institution which deals in money and credit, and it collects deposit from public supply and supply credit, thereby facilitating exchange. You can say bank mobilize the fund for its productive uses. Hence a bank is an organization which accept deposit, lend money, and perform other agency function. Now I am going to discuss function of commercial bank. What is the function of commercial bank? Then there are so many types of bank. You can say bank can be classified into the following: commercial bank, cooperative bank, specialized bank, central bank. Central bank, RBI is the central bank of India. In commercial bank, the function of commercial bank: accepting the deposit, lending money, and secondary function is agency function and general utility function. The primary function, while discussing the primary function, accepting deposit is the primary function of commercial bank. Accepting deposit is the main function of commercial bank. Bank offer different type of bank account to suit the requirement and need of the different customer. Different type of banks accounts are as follows. You can say fixed deposit account, current deposit account, recurring deposit account, saving deposit account, and multiple option deposit account. These are the some types of deposit accounts through which the bank deposit the money of its customer. And why we are depositing the amount into the bank? For some interest purpose, some earning purpose. So fixed deposit amount a money is deposited in the account for a fixed period. You can say 2 years, 3 years, for 3 years, for 5 years. It can also term as called as a term deposit. After expiry of a specific period, person can claim his money from the bank, and usually the rate of interest is maximum in this account in fixed deposit, because bank can use the earning for the bank can use the amount deposited for some specific time. Therefore the rate of interest is maximum in this account. The longer of the period of deposit, the higher will be the rate of interest on deposit. Current account deposit. Current account deposit are opened by the businessman. The account holder can deposit and withdraw money whenever desired. Even a businessman can withdraw or deposit many times in a particular day. So as the deposit is repayable on demand, it is also known as demand deposit. Withdrawal are always made by check. No interest is paid on the current account. no interest is paid on current account. Rather, charged are taken by the bank for services rendered by it. In a saving deposit account, the aim of saving deposit is to mobilize saving of the public. Bank encourage for the saving, and it's create the capital for the for our country, and that's why a person can open the saving deposit account by depositing a small sum of money. He can withdraw money from his account and make additional deposit at will. Account holder also get interest on his deposit, but the rate of interest is lower than the rate of interest on fixed deposit. The maximum interest is provided by the bank on fixed deposit account. And recurring deposit account. What is the recurring deposit account? Recurring deposit account, the aim of recurring deposit is to encourage regular saving by the people. A depositor can deposit a fixed amount, say 500 per month for a fixed period. You can say 100 rupees per month for a fixed period. The amount together with interest is repaid on the maturity. So the interest rate on this account is higher than on the saving deposit account. Multiple deposit account. This is the type of the saving bank account in which deposit in excess of a particular limit gets automatically transferred into fixed deposit. You can say if you decided that whenever your account balance is exceed from 25,000, it will automatically converted into fixed deposit. So in case adequate fund is not available in our saving bank account, so as to honor a check that we have issued, the required amount gets automatically transferred from fixed deposit to the saving bank account. Therefore the account holder has twin benefit. He can earn more interest, and it lower the risk of dishonoring a check. And second primary function is lending money. With the help of money collecting through various type of deposit, commercial bank lend finance to businessman, farmer, others. The main way of lending is term loan. These loans are provided by the bank to their customer for a fixed period. for so many purposes. You can say for purchase of machinery, truck, scooter, house, agricultural equipment, and the borrower repay these loan in monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annually. And bank OD, the customer who maintain a current account with the bank take permission from the bank to withdraw more money than deposited into his account. The extra amount withdrawn is called overdraft. And bank charges interest on the actual amount overdrawn by the customer. And a customer have to deposit some asset or an personal security of the customer. And cash credit, under this agreement, the bank advance cash loan up to a specified limit against current asset or other security. In current assets, generally it is given on the basis of the stock in the business. The bank open an account in the name of the borrower and allow him to withdraw the borrowed money from time to time, subject to the sanctioned limit. So businessman have to sanction a cash credit limit, and interest is charged on the amount actually withdrawn. Discounting of bill of exchange, under this bank give money to its customer on the security of a bill of exchange before the expiry of the bill in case of a customer need it. And for the services, bank charge discount for the remaining period of the bill. So this is all about the primary function of the commercial bank. Thank you, student. In next video we will discuss the secondary function and an agency function. Okay.